Okay. So we were discussing women and mass media. So how women have been projected in the mass media is very essential and important because the violence that the women face can be a result of this mass media and the projection of women which is done in the mass media. Okay, the types of mass media I've explained you. It can be TV, radio, newspaper, magazine, outdoor hoardings, and so on. Then what is the positive role of mass media to create a good image of women? So let us understand that. Mass media such as TV and newspaper, news and programs, they can highlight the problems faced by women folk in India. They can show the women's issues, women's problems. TV channels, news channels, newspapers, if they focus on how women have been tortured, which kind of violence is done against women, how they have been, which kind of injustice is done to them, if such kind of TV serials, any new program has been shown, that can sensitize people in the society, and such kind of injustices as well as any kind of problem faced by women, that can be stopped, because people will, a young generation will get sensitive about the issue, and they will start thinking, even especially women themselves, they don't know that it is a kind of injustice to them, it is a kind of discrimination against them. वो discrimination है, injustice है, वो उनको पता ही नहीं होता है. So that realization women will do when they will start watching such kind of shows and programs. So that is the role of mass media. They can show, they can make such kind of shows. Even in the newspaper, if certain articles have been given which will focus on what are the issues of women in India, then definitely if women read, as well as the young generation, not only women, if men they read, they will realize that how women, which kind of issues they are facing, and they will start thinking on it, and they will try to remove it or reduce it. Next, the mass media can also provide social and moral support to women in media. Now, how to provide social and moral support? Support कैसे provide करें? For example, TV channels है, news channels है. There is any injustice done to a woman, she can go to the news channel, they can make a report, they can publish it in newspaper, or they can show a new in a program that this kind of issue is happening to this woman. So they can provide a kind of support, moral support as well as social support, because if they broadcast that program, people in the society, they will come to know about it. And when they will come to know, many other members in the society, they will stand by her. Okay, understood this? How the moral and social support can be provided. Next, mass media makes women aware of the constitutional rights through editorials and programs. बहुत बार हम लोगों को ना हमारे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल, मतलब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो राइट्स दिए हैं वो पता ही नहीं होते. We are not aware, women are not aware of those rights, and if they are not aware, they will not make any kind of complaint. उनको पता ही नहीं है कि ये मेरा right है. Whether they will make any kind of complaint, they will not. Okay, so TV newspapers, TV news channels, they can create a kind of program, they can make a show, and in that they can make aware women about their own rights. Even in the newspaper, in the editorial page होता है, पता है ना, संपादकीय होते हैं, editorial. Many articles are given on that editorial page. So on that page, if you write any news article related to rights of women, then automatically they will be aware of it and they will start utilizing their rights. Then what is the negative role of mass media towards women? Negative role क्या है? Negative role is that affects women and their position in India negatively. Mass media supports the supports the advertisement of certain unethical advertisers where women are shown in a very poor taste. बहुत बार बहुत छोटे कपड़ों में women को बताते हैं या फिर अलग अलग जो गंदा ad है वो भी उनको करने के लिए बोला जाता है. So women are shown in a very poor taste. That is what the meaning is. Okay. So those advertisements, they project women having, or sometimes even women have been shown very shy or very timid girl, or they have been shown having very bad taste. Means where if you compare men and women in the same advertisement, excuse me, I'm here teaching in the class. Have you taken permission to come in? What? It is not the protocol. You must follow certain rules and regulations. You must ask, at least you can show the hand so that I can allow you to come in. Come and sit. Because I will decide whether to allow you to sit in the class or not. For that, you have to take the permission. Okay, so let us continue. And it is unethical. What is ethics? We will be learning in business communication. What are the different mass media, entertainment ethics? Ethics क्या है वो हम लोग पढ़ने वाले. So these advertisements are unethical where you are showing women in a very bad taste. If you compare men and women have been shown as subordinate to men, and men have been given ample value and status. Again, that is wrong. If you are projecting a women with that discrimination, वो discriminate करके या वो advertisement दे रहे हो, it is wrong. It should not be shown like this. बहुत बार हम लोग देखते हैं ना एडवर्टीजमेंट है, डिटर्जेंट पाउडर का एडवर्टीजमेंट है, टी पाउडर का एडवर्टीजमेंट है, कौन है रहता है एडवर्टीजमेंट में? women ही रहते हैं. Yeah, I know that women they are housemaker, they wash the clothes, but that doesn't mean only women should do those works. Men and women are equal to each other. Both can do it, but in our Indian society, certain roles have been given to women and she must do it. That must label is put on women, but that if you go in foreign countries, it is not so. All the work is divided. Both men and women, they do it together. Okay, but in India, it is not the case, and I'm not here to talk about that, but I just wanted to talk about the advertisement that they show women in a very bad taste that negatively affects the image of women in the society. Then a good number of TV programs and serials that depict women related violence such as abduction and rape. बहुत बार टीवी सीरियल्स में भी आप देखो कितना डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है. अगर वो बहू है तो ये सभी चीजें उसने करनी ही है. कितना मतलब वो टिपिकल सीरियल्स रहते हैं. Even in our day-to-day life, we don't do such things, but in the serial we see that. And once अभी मैं थोड़ा to the point बोलती हूँ. अगर वो सास भी देखती है, आप मतलब आपके घर में अगर आपकी दादी माँ है वो देखती है, she might start thinking from that perspective. हाँ, ये इतना ऐसे लोग करते हैं, so I must start doing that I must start that practice with my daughter-in-law. Correct. So like that it affects negatively. तो कौन से सीरियल आप देख रहे हो उससे भी आपका सोच क्या होती है वो बहुत मतलब असर करता है. So when you are, even it affects children a lot. आपके knowingly unknowingly वो, if you are watching a serial, आपका छोटा भाई है या फिर आपके भाई का भाई, any small kid is there in the house, same kid will be watching the same serial, and that affects negatively on the child. So this is how women and mass media we have finished. What are the negative roles and positive roles of mass media in projecting women that we have seen? Now let us continue the next point. I hope you understood this. Any doubt do you have? Okay. Next is disparities and disability. डिस्पैरिटी का मतलब आपको याद है? द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्पैरिटी, डू यू रिमेम्बर दैट? What is the meaning of disparity? Can you read the first line? What's the meaning of it? It refers to a great difference. Okay, if two things are there, there is a huge difference. And that is unfair, which is not good. So your disparity is a kind of discrimination that you do. Okay, now we are learning disparities and disability. Now, what is the meaning of disability? Kya hai disability? A human being is not able to function properly because of certain kind of impairment. कोई भी impairment है, physical impairment है, mental disability है, mental impairment है, तो उसके वजह से वो जो उसका regular काम है, it can be even walking, it can be even to talk, to hear. These are the basic things that we all normal human beings do. But if suppose a person is not able to do that because of certain impairment, कुछ तो organ में problem है, defect है, mental issues है, तो अगर वो चीजें नहीं कर पा रहा है, mental capacity भी वो कम है, IQ कम है, या फिर वो rationalism कम है, anything is there. We will discuss that mental disability later. First, we will understand the physical disability. So if the person is not able to do the functions as per the normal human beings because of certain impairments, it is called as disability. There are various types of disabilities. Visual handicap, that is called as blind. Auditory handicapped, deaf. Speech handicapped, dumb. Orthopedically handicapped, physical disability. Orthopedic हाथ नहीं है, पैर नहीं है, या फिर पैर में कुछ इश्यू है, हाथ में कुछ इश्यू है, orthopedically handicapped. Mentally challenged, that is mental disability. See, the handicap is not, it is inborn. Sometimes it is inborn, sometimes it happens during the person's lifetime. Because suppose certain accident takes place. Accident hota hai car ka, vehicle ka. Because of that, the person may be having the physical disability. Okay, so it can be inborn or it can be due. It can take place during the lifetime of a person due to accident or sickness. Sickness के वजह से भी हो सकता है. Say sometimes a person gets operated. Operation होता है, वो operation बहुत critical रहता है. In that case, the nervous system can get affected. Nervous system affect हो गई मतलब you may not be able to think properly, you may not be able to do the mental functions. Okay. Then let us see, it is estimated that there are nearly 100 million disabled in our country. Approximately कितने disabled हैं? 100 million people. Now let us understand all the types of disability. The first is visually handicapped, that is blind. Visually handicapped are partially or totally blind. Partially मतलब थोड़ा उनको दिखता है, 30%, 20% दिखता है, या फिर 50%. पूरा blind means the person may not be able to see nothing, कुछ भी वो देख नहीं सकता. So partially or totally blind. A blind person is the one who can sense the presence of a person but can't recognize him or her, or cannot tell whether a person is a male or female, cannot read and cannot recognize color even if he or she is not totally blind. Now, who is a blind? Let us understand. Blind किसे बोलते हैं? The person may understand or he can sense the presence. Somebody is there nearby to me. He can sense it. But he may not be able to recognize him. वो male है, female है, because he may not be able to see the person. If he is a totally blind person, If suppose a partially blind person is there, he may not be able to recognize the color. वो color recognize नहीं कर सकता अगर वो partially blind है तो. Now, what are the causes of blindness? Blindness के causes क्या है? The first one is cataract. Most of the time, it is the question asked in the exam that which is the main cause of blindness? सबसे ज्यादा किसके वजह से blindness आता है? It is due to cataract. Cataract पता है ना, मोतिया होता है, मोती बिंदु बोलते हैं cataract. तो सबसे ज्यादा blindness आता है, it is due to cataract. And it is the loss of transparency of the eyes lens. हमारे जो लेंस है आंख के, वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी कम हो जाती है, उसके ऊपर एक परत आ जाती है व्हाइट कलर का, वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी कम हो जाता है ना, फिर दैट्स व्हाई द पर्सन मे नॉट बी एबल टू सी. देन ग्लूकोमा. द फ्लूइड इन द आई compresses the lens into the vitreous body. हमारा जो आंख है उसका, okay, let me draw on the screen itself. Say here. Okay, so there is a fluid here, and this can be the vitreous body. I have to confirm it because I don't remember right now. But there is a fluid, and that compresses, gives a pressure on the neurons of retina. ये क्या है, फ्लूइड क्या करता है, ये रेटिना जो है उसके ऊपर प्रेशराइज करता है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर कैन बी ब्लाइंडनेस. ये पूरा प्रेशराइज करता है, वो प्रेशराइज हो गया, इट विल अफेक्ट द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द आई. देन ट्रैकोमा. It is a serious form of conjunctivitis. It creates redness and sensation of foreign body in the eye. आपने देखा होगा, इन्फेक्शन रहता है पूरा पूरा, मतलब आंख रेडिश रहती है, पूरा रेड रहता है. आई विल शो यू द पिक्चर्स टुमारो. उसके ये जो सभी ये जो है ना, ग्लूकोमा है या कैटरैक्ट है, कैटरैक्ट यू नो, बट दिस वन ट्रैकोमा का मैं एक इमेज दिखाऊंगी, पूरा रेडिश आई हो जाता है. And that can cause the blindness. Then diseases. There are certain diseases because of which also there can be blindness. Diseases such as diabetes. बहुत बार diabetes से blindness आता है. आपका मतलब आँख की ये start by मतलब step by step affect होता जाता है. 60% कम दिखाई देगा, 50% कम दिखाई देगा, 30%, ऐसे करते करते पूरा ब्लाइंडनेस आता है ड्यू टू डायबिटीज. देन स्मॉल पॉक्स पता है आपको, स्मॉल पॉक्स पता है ना, उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं अभी, ऐसे फोड़ी रहता है देखो, स्मॉल पॉक्स पूरा बॉडी के ऊपर, स्मॉल पॉक्स. चिकन पॉक्स, स्मॉल पॉक्स, both same. Then hypertension. Due to hypertension also ये आपका ब्लाइंडनेस आ सकता है. हाइपरटेंशन की वजह से देखो आपका पूरा नर्वस सिस्टम डाउन हो जाता है, आपका बीपी बढ़ जाएगा. हाइपरटेंशन की वजह से बहुत से इश्यूज, हेल्थ इश्यूज होते हैं, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट कैन अफेक्ट योर आई और इट कैन अफेक्ट योर विजिबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट इज विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी. विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी है मतलब विटामिन ए आपके बॉडी में कम है, तो उसके वजह से क्या होता है पता है ना, देयर कैन बी ड्राइंग ऑफ द कॉर्निया एंड अल्सरेशन. कॉर्निया ड्राई हो जाता है, ड्राई आई के प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, अल्सरेशन हो सकता है. देन हाइपरमेट्रोपिया. इट इज ऑल्सो सेम, it is also called as far sightedness. far sightedness मतलब दूर का आप नहीं देख पाते, far sightedness. far मतलब दूर, लंबा. sightedness you may not be able to see that. far sightedness, see some whatever the objects which are nearby you can clearly see, but the objects which are at a great distance, at a long distance, you may not be able to see clearly. Then astigmatism, see visual activities decrease, eye strain causes headache. आपकी जो विजुअल एक्टिविटी है वो आप मतलब कम होती जाती है. अब जितना ज्यादा देखोगे, एक्टिविटी होगी, आई जितना आई फंक्शन होगा, उतना वो स्ट्रेन होगा, और वो स्ट्रेन होने की वजह से क्या होगा, आपको हेडेक होगा, सिर दुखने लगता है. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है ना, अगर स्पेक्टेकल्स, आपको स्पेक्स है तो यूज नहीं करते तो आई की एक्टिविटी बढ़ जाती है, वो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, उसके वजह से क्या होता है, हेडेक स्टार्ट हो जाता है. इवन देयर कैन बी अदर इश्यूज ऑल्सो, नंबर बढ़ जाएगा, ड्राइनेस ऑफ आई, आई का ड्राइनेस भी बढ़ जाता है, अदर इश्यूज कैन हैपन. नेक्स्ट इज ऑडिटरी हैंडीकैप. ऑडिटरी मतलब डेफ, you may not be able to hear it. Auditory handicap people are deaf and mostly dumb. ये दोनों भी होते हैं, वो डेफ भी होते हैं, डम भी होते हैं, मतलब बोल भी नहीं पाते और सुन भी नहीं पाते, बट समटाइम्स दोज कैन बी ओनली डेफ, but most of the time they are deaf and dumb. Normally normal hearing takes place at 0 to 30 decibel. आपको पता है ना साउंड कहाँ पे मेजर होता है, कौन से यूनिट में मेजर होता है, इट इज डेसिबल. साउंड कैसे मेजर करते हैं, डेसिबल में मेजर करते हैं. तो कितनी कैपेसिटी, हमारी नॉर्मल कैपेसिटी है 0 to 30 डेसिबल, उतना ही हम लोगों को सुनना है. उससे ज्यादा आप बढ़ाओगे साउंड, इट विल अफेक्ट योर हियरिंग कैपेसिटी. Decibel is a numerical expression of the relative loudness of a sound that I have explained you. Hearing impairment starts at about 30 decibel. अगर साउंड 30 डेसिबल भी है फिर भी आप सुन नहीं पाते हैं, मीन्स यू आर हैविंग हियरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट. समझ आ रहा है, साउंड नॉर्मल है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू हियर, 0 to 30 में है डेसिबल में, फिर भी आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. 30 डेसिबल से ज्यादा लाउड करना है साउंड, देन यू कैन हियर, मीन्स हियरिंग deafness or hearing impairment. Now what are the types of deafness? क्या क्या types है? Conduction deafness. It is caused by impairment of an outer and middle mechanism of ear. Ear का एक mechanism रहता है, see वो image दिखाना पड़ेगा. I will show you all the images tomorrow. Next lecture में वो images बताती हूँ मैं आपको. Ear का एक system रहता है, बाहर outer sign रहता है और एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कॉक्लिया रहता है, पर्दा, कॉक्लिया. ओके, so everything I will show you in the image tomorrow. Just remind me that. Let me finish all these points today. Tomorrow I will show you because I have to get those from my laptop. So it affects the outer and middle mechanism of the ear. Outer and middle mechanism रहता है, वो affect करता है ear का. And this impairment causes difficulty for transmitting sounds to the cochlea. एक spiral shape part रहता है inner ear में, outer ear, middle mechanism and inner ear. ऐसे 3 parts रहते हैं ear के, हमारे कान के outer mechanism, inner mechanism and middle mechanism है. तो जो sound जाता है, it will not transfer to the cochlea. कॉक्लिया जो है इनर ईयर में जो एक ऐसा स्पाइरल शेप रहता है, आई विल शो दैट टू यू. सो द साउंड मे नॉट बी ट्रांसफर्ड टिल दैट. इट इज कॉल्ड एज कंडक्शन डेफनेस. नेक्स्ट इज सेंसरी न्यूरल डेफनेस. इट इज कॉज्ड बाय द इम्पेयरमेंट ऑफ कॉक्लिया. अगर कॉक्लिया खराब है तो उसके वजह से आप सुन नहीं पाओगे. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज sensory neural deafness. There is malfunctioning of inner ear and that can lead to deafness. Then mixed deafness. Mixed deafness is both. There can be deafness due to impairment of outer and middle mechanism. हम लोगों ने 3 देखा. What are those 2 types of deafness? First is it is due to middle and outer mechanism. impairment of middle and outer mechanism. Second one is impairment of inner ear, inner mechanism. And if it is of both, ये जो last वाला है mixed deafness, it is due to both outer and middle as well as inner ear mechanism. If there is impairment, then it is called as mixed deafness. दोनों भी है, outer middle भी है, inner mechanism भी है, उसमें problem है, then it is called as mixed deafness. Next is congenital deafness. See, congenital deafness can be caused due to genetic factors. Genetic factors मतलब genes में रहता है, आपके पेरेंट्स से आपको ट्रांसफर होता है. Even it can be due to German measly. German measly during pregnancy. प्रेगनेंसी में अगर माँ को ये बीमारी है, वो स्मॉल पॉक्स के जैसे ही रहता है, गोवर बोलते हैं इसको, जर्मन मेजली. तो अगर माँ को वो हुआ है तो बच्चे पे वो इफेक्ट होता है, उसके कान में ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, कंजेनियल डेफनेस आ सकता है. या फिर बर्थ इंजुरी है, बर्थ के समय कुछ कान में इंजुरी हो जाती है, अगेन ड्यू टू दैट ऑल्सो देयर कैन बी डेफनेस. तो तीन चीजें हैं. पेरेंट्स से आपको ट्रांसफर होता है, अगर पेरेंट्स डेफ है, there are chances that the child will be deaf. Okay, genes में वो ट्रांसफर होगा. सेकेंड है ये जर्मन मेजली. थर्ड है अगर बर्थ के समय कुछ इंजुरी होती है बच्चे को, then there can be deafness. So it is called as congenital deafness. एग्जाम में इम्पोर्टेंट है. 0 to 30 डेसिबल. कब डेफनेस हम लोग बोलते हैं? अबव 30 डेसिबल है, साउंड आप नहीं सुन पा रहे हो. बिलो 30 है देन नॉर्मल. अबव 30 है तो अब ये डेफनेस, हियरिंग इम्पेयरमेंट है. इवन व्हाट इज दिस कंजेनियल डेफनेस, देन व्हाट कैन बी सेंसरी न्यूरल डेफनेस, किसके वजह से होता है? कॉक्लिया अफेक्ट होता है ना. सो ऑल दीज आर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स दैट यू शुड रिमेंबर फॉर योर एग्जाम. Then acquired deafness. Acquired deafness, see, due to medicines in the certain diseases such as jaundice, typhoid, measles, those medicines can also have certain side effects, and due to the side effects there can be deafness. जो मेडिसिन आप लेते हो उसके वजह से भी, वो साइड इफेक्ट्स के वजह से भी ये हो सकता है. And there can be noise pollution, and even because of certain other external factors there can be deafness. So deafness can be by birth, it can be acquired deafness. Acquired deafness is not by birth, it is not by birth. Acquired, it can be because of other reasons such as noise pollution, certain medicines and other factors. Accident हो गया, कान के ऊपर मतलब कुछ जोर से आके गिरा है, it can affect your hearing capacity. Understood this? सो रहे हो आप सभी लोग? थक गए? नहीं? Okay. I'm not going to continue, don't worry. Let me just stop recording first.